Good morning student, my name is Anand Vishay. Today we focus on the last sections of chapter 2 from the class 7 using Excel as a database, and the topic is analyzing data with pivot table. What is pivot table? We have know about that pivot table is used to summarize the data. Whatever data will be displayed onto the Excel sheet, it going to the summarize and presenting in the reporting form of data, that means the analyzations of data easy through the reporting format. That's why we use the pivot table option. Pivot table is the important tools of the Excel sheet. How we use the pivot table? You go to the insert tab and there is the pivot table option under the tables group. Then you have click onto the create pivot table option. It select at first we have select the range of that. You have find out a new worksheet will be added in the your Excel sheet that show the pivot table dialog box. After that you have find out select the different kinds of pivot table fields from the task pane, and you have drop onto the row coordinate and the column coordinate. Whatever you have, there are the different kinds of coordinate. One is the value coordinate where we specify the salary, and overall after click on the finish on the OK button, we can find out this kinds of dialog box. Pivot table generate this kind of reporting. Okay, that show onto the that is used to analyze the data in the very frequent manner. So we can do the pivot table in the practical experience here. We have minimize it and click on the there is the Excel sheet. I have already design the whatever the tables value in the Excel sheet we have designed here. I have designed here. I make the maximize that show the different kinds of things. Now we move on to the insert options. In insert option you have find out the pivot table. At first we select it all the section by make the selection at first the range and click on the pivot table option. Okay, new worksheet will be shown here. We have click on that. It show the sheet 4, that is the new worksheet. Now according to the value will be we have salary field. Just drag it and drop onto the this one. Okay, column field will show the departments, and row fields you have show the names. Now you have find out your pivot table is going to the ready as usual whatever in your book. Here are the employees details, and here is the fields. In the production Anika has got 20,000, and the purchase sales there is the Anuradha got 10,000. In the store there is the Ganesh 12,000. Individual grant total is here. Finally the overall total of 96,000. In store only the 13,000 has been paid. In sales category there are the 28,000 salary of the piece. In the purchase there are the 10,000. In the production department there are the 25,000, and the development department only 20,000 will be paid. And finally the grant total over the company have the burden of the salary is 96,000. That is the analyzing purpose of the pivot table. You can do in the easy way on the practical manner. That is very easy. Whatever we have discussed about the steps, you can do it in easy manner. Thank you and have a good day.